Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy and there's a really easy method in order to do this. So what we're going to do is we are going to make sure that we are following some people. So I only follow 3 people, but if you're following thousands of people, I just know it will take a really long time in order to unfollow all of them. So what we can simply do is use my method. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your profile over on TikTok and you want to click on those 3 stripes in the top right corner of your screen and you want to go to settings and privacy. Now you want to scroll all the way down until you find report a problem, just like this, and you want to click on it. And now you want to make sure to click on account and profile right here. And you want to click on editing profile. Or I would actually click on profile page. And you want to make sure to click on other. Just like this. And now we can actually start reporting a problem. However, this will just give us some information, but we're going to click on need more help at the bottom of our screen right here. And now you need to type in something so TikTok will notice you and that they will help you unfollow everyone, because TikTok just has an easy way to unfollow everyone. However, that button is just not available for us. So what we're going to type in is, alright, so you want to type in something like, please help me unfollow everyone on my TikTok page. It takes me too long in order to unfollow them manually. So you can just copy and paste this from my thing, and then what you simply want to do is you want to click on submit right here, and now we are basically submitting this report over to TikTok, and then they will most likely get back to you within the next couple of hours to days. And we can see that we now have a support ticket open, and we can see that we are now just waiting for feedback, and this shouldn't take more than a few days. And then they will most likely just ask you some questions, and then they will just remove all the people you're following at once. So that's a really easy way to do this. So yeah, that's how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.